That's exactly what we're after, guys. Perfect silicone, nice little hack. What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys the absolute easiest way to clean dirty, discolored and moldy silicone. So as you can tell here, we've got a shower cubicle that has seen better days. The white silicone is pretty discolored and moldy. What I'm going to do is show you guys a little hack so that we can restore this back to new without having to remove it, without having to scrub it. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so what we're going to do to clean this up is we're going to be using a spray bottle with 1 part water, 1 part bleach. Now you guys have seen me in previous videos using bleach. It's an awesome little product and it's got very, very strong and effective cleaning power. So we're going to be using that, plus we're going to be using some paper towels. Now if you don't have any paper towels, you can use tissue paper or toilet paper. It's going to do the exact same job. And what we're going to do with this is, rather than just spraying the bleach onto the affected area and walking away, obviously it's watery, it's going to run away. So what we're going to do with the tissue paper or the paper towels is we're going to roll them up like a sausage. And I'll show you guys what I mean. So we're going to take our paper towels, fold them over a couple times, start twisting it until we've got a sausage-like shape. Now what we're going to do with this is we're going to place it on the affected area. In this case here, it's pretty much all the way around the base of the shower cubicle and a little bit up into the corner. So we're going to make a sausage out of this paper towel to fit the whole way around. So I'll quickly keep going through and roll these ones here up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once we're done. So now that we've got all our paper towels ready to go, I've just lined them all up. So I'll give you guys one more quick look before we actually treat this affected area. So nice and moldy. Okay, now we're going to place our tissue paper all back in line. And now what we're going to do is spray the bleach. Remember, when using bleach, it's pretty strong chemicals, so always wear your gloves, and it's a good idea to also wear a mask. We're going to spray this area and then push all the tissue paper into place. So you can see the tissue paper will actually absorb the bleach. Once the tissue paper has absorbed it, you can then start positioning it into place. So you can see as I press it into place, it stays where I need it to stay. And that's the benefit of using the tissue paper. So we're going to be able to leave that bleach on the area, let it do its job a lot better than what we would have if we just tried to spray it on there and walk away. One more piece for this little corner section here. Now that everything's pretty much in place, we'll give it one more spray, make sure it's completely drenched. Make sure we've got all the areas covered. Once again, press that all into place. And we'll let this one here sit, and then we'll come back and check it out. Now usually a few hours is sufficient, probably about 4 to 6 hours. But what I'm going to do in this case here is, this property is a job that I'm working on. I'm going to shoot off to another job and I'll be back tomorrow morning. So this one here will have plenty of time to do its job, and I'll be back tomorrow morning and show you guys the results. Alright guys, so we're back the following day now. Let's remove the paper towels and see our results. So if we poke at the paper towels, you can see there's still plenty of bleach inside there. So it's nice to see that it's retained all the moisture. Let's start removing it. Beautiful. That's exactly what we're after, guys. And you can see there, it is literally like brand new again. That's exactly what we're after, guys. Perfect silicone, nice little hack. All we used was a bit of bleach, and some paper towels, and we've got that completely back to brand new. So that there is one of the best hacks out there, guys. Nice simple way to restore your silicone, get it back to normal. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Billshowto.